Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today is sneak peek day one for our October holiday release. We have some great holiday things to share with you. The first thing I'm going to share or sneak peek is a new standalone die. This is the arch-shaped card die set. Now, yes, it makes a gorgeous shape card that is arched and it is the size of 5x7. I love that. I love making 5x7 cards. But that's not all this die set has to offer. It also has a complete set of nesting dies. There are 17 dies total in this stamp set, and each of those arches that nest or layer together are about 1/4 of an inch apart in size. The other cool thing that I love is that they have embossed lines on both sides of the cut line. So the arch that you cut out is going to have an embossed detailed edge, and the piece that you cut it from is going to have an embossed detailed edge. It's so cool. I am going to share some cards made with it in this video, so stay tuned. Here you can see it on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock, which is what you're going to need to die cut it out. And there it is, die cut out and ready to be turned into a card. Stay tuned for those. I have 3 to share with you in today's video. Next, let's look at some of our new holiday stamp sets. First up, we have a 4x8 set called Holiday Gnome Stacks, and it has a coordinating die set. This gnome stamp set has 2 large images that are stacks of gnomes. We have a Santa, a reindeer, and an elf stacked up, and then we have 3 little gnomes decorating a Christmas tree. These are nice size images that are going to easily fill up your A2 size cards, or maybe A7. Here are the sentiments in the set. May your holidays be merry and bright. Let your heart be light. Merry Christmas. Peace, love, joy. We have a to and from, deck the halls, happy holidays, and 'tis the season to be jolly. I love that one. Okay, here you can see the images die cut out and colored. I just think they are so cute. I really enjoyed coloring these up. And these images are 2 images I'm going to use on our arch-shaped cards. So let's take a look at the first one, which features the Santa, reindeer, and elf stacked up. I use the sentiment, 'tis the season to be jolly, and our simply sentimental Merry and Christmas. And you can see all the nice layers I'm able to get on this card because of the layering dies that come with it. And you can use those layering dies to create frames, which is perfect for shaker cards. And I love this large shaker card with the tree in front. Kind of looks like the ornaments have spilled and made a mess behind them. It's just a great new card die set you could use for any occasion. Okay, next up, look at this cute little set, Little Tree Gnome, a 3x3 set. This actually comes together with the die set. One purchase, you're going to get the stamps and the dies, and he is going to go really well with the previous gnome stamp set. So I love that. You also have 3 different sentiments and a die to cut out all of the images in this set. So let's take a look at him. He is super cute and really easy to color up. I love that he's holding a little candy cane, and I think he could be good friends with our previous tiny gnome set, which was called Coco the Gnome, where he's drinking a mug of hot cocoa. Love that one. And remember this card? I used the little tree gnome on the inside of the card just to add something fun on the inside there. Okay, let's move on. We have a fun new set called Ha'ole Maulanui. It means happy holidays in Hawaiian. And here you can see, oh my word, how fun this set is. Santa in a hammock with the 2 palm trees kind of bending in. We've got a decorated palm tree like it's a Christmas tree. And there's Santa chilling on the beach. We also have Malikaliki Maka, which means Merry Christmas, and Aloha in this set. You've got dies to cut everything out so you can make some Hawaiian themed Christmas cards. And if you live in a warmer climate, I think that this stamp set is going to be really fun. So here you can see 2 of the images I colored and die cut out. Oh my word, look at him. So cute. A really fun stamp set. So also note that some of the dies are going to cut the words apart. But I just went ahead and stamped mine, and you might notice some fun little dies I used on the base of this card. Those are going to be shown in Sneak Peek Day 3. They're very special dies designed by a member of our design team. So stay tuned for Sneak Peek Day 3 for that special video. Okay, now we're going to move into something a little bit more elegant. We have this sketchy nativity, which is so gorgeous. I mean, you just have to wait until you stamp this out. It's so beautiful. And then we have the word joy and that really big bright star. There is a coordinating die that will die cut out all 3 of these images. So that's really fun and gives you more options when you have the coordinating dies to go with it. So let's take a look at this stamped. I'm kind of getting it ready for a card right here, but you can see I've embossed it with gold and done some ink blending and some splattering, and it is so gorgeous. I'm completely in love with this set. If I was going to make Christmas cards, I'd probably choose this set. If I was going to make all the same Christmas card, you know, like with one set. All right, so there's the star and the word joy embossed with gold and die cut out, so you can see those die cut out and ready to go. But before I show you the card, let's take a look at these elegant Christmas sentiments and coordinating dies. This is a very large stamp set, the 4x8 size, and it's got some gorgeous sentiments in it. Rejoice, adore, glory to God in the highest, Emmanuel, glory to the newborn King, Noel, Christmas blessings, and then we've got some smaller sentiments you can build upon with that, and dies to cut out everything in this set. You can see them all right there. It's going to bubble cut around those scripty words. It's so gorgeous. And some of these, again, are going to cut apart. So you have the choice as to whether or not you want to put your sentiment horizontally or stack them, which is very cool. So here you can see glory to the newborn King stamped, and there's the die, and you can see it's cut them in half, so you can stack it or you can put them all in a row, and I think that is so nice because then you can have options as to the size of your card, the orientation of your card. And here's my card. I love it. I love it so much, and this is on that arch card. I think it is so gorgeous. It fits on that arch so perfectly. So that is it for Sneak Peek Day 1, but we will be back again tomorrow with Sneak Peek Day 2, even more fun things, and then we're kind of spreading it out into 3 days. Remember to come check that out, and then our release is on October 2nd. We're going to have a big hop for you guys, so stay tuned, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping! Bye!